Hi friends, I brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Nebil. Nebil has 5 mg of Nebivolol in it. The box has 14 tablets. It's made by Guts Pharma. The price for the box is 215 rupees. Nebivolol is used alone or in combination with other medications to treat high blood pressure. Nebivolol is in a class of medications called beta blockers. It works by relaxing blood vessels and slowing heart rate to improve blood flow and decrease blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common condition and when not treated can cause damage to the brain, heart, blood vessels, kidneys and other parts of the body. Damage to these organs may cause heart disease, a heart attack, heart failure, stroke, kidney failure, loss of vision and other problems. In addition to taking medication, making lifestyle changes will also help to control your blood pressure. These changes include eating a diet that is low in fat and salt, maintaining a healthy weight, exercising at least 30 minutes most days, not smoking and using alcohol in moderation. Nebivolol comes as a tablet to be taken by mouth. It is usually taken with or without food once a day. To help you remember to take Nebivolol, take it around the same time every day. Follow the directions on your prescription label carefully and ask your doctor or pharmacist to explain any part you do not understand. Take Nebivolol exactly as directed. Do not take more or less of it or take it more often than prescribed by your doctor. Your doctor may start you on a low dose of Nebivolol and gradually increase your dose not more than once every 2 weeks. Nebivolol controls high blood pressure but does not cure it. It may take 2 weeks before the full benefit of Nebivolol is seen in blood pressure readings. Continue to take Nebivolol even if you feel well. Do not stop taking Nebivolol without talking to your doctor. If you suddenly stop taking Nebivolol, it may cause angina, chest pain, heart attack or irregular heartbeat. Your doctor will probably decrease your dose gradually over 1 or 2 weeks. Take the missed dose as soon as you remember it. However, if it is almost time for the next dose, skip the missed dose and continue your regular dosing schedule. Do not take a double dose to make up for a missed one. Nebivolol may cause side effects such as headache, tiredness, weakness. It can also cause some serious side effects such as chest pains, low heart rate, difficulty breathing. If you face any serious side effects, call your doctor immediately. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.